Okay, good afternoon and welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to create a rounded plastic cup with a base. Okay, first we're going to open up Design Sparks Mechanical. Once it's open, we're going to go New Design. Going to change the view over here to Plan View. And we're going to go ahead and start our drawing. So I'm going to actually make a completely round cup. So we're going to do this 3 inches. Okay. So I'm going to create a 3-inch rounded circle. Excuse me. Now we're going to go ahead and create another circle inside of that. We're going to go maybe 2.75. Okay. Now we're going to draw a line down the middle here. We just want this lower part to be our cup or a bowl. And we're going to go ahead and use the trim away tool. Trim away this top stuff. Okay, let's go ahead and get the pan up. I'm going to put a base down here so this thing doesn't wobble. So we're going to go ahead and get a line tool. Click, drag down, go ahead and select the click off of it. I'm going to go change this, right mouse click on that and set as mirror. I'm going to get the line tool. We're going to have our base come out about that far over. Go about like that. And then we're going to drag over straight there. Alright, so this is our base. And then we're going to actually get rid of this. We're going to revolve it around the center, so we only need to revolve half of it. So we'll go ahead and get rid of that mirror line. We'll go ahead and put a line in here. Click, select the click off of it. Grab our trim away tool. We're going to get rid of that stuff here. Alright, that looks good. We'll get rid of that. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and drag a marquee around everything. Oh, sorry, undo. Make sure that when you do that, you're not in trim away because it'll get rid of everything. So go select. We're going to go to pool. We're going to click. We're going to use our sweep feature or revolve feature. We're going to revolve from here. We're going to hit this arrow icon, which is the full pull. We're going to spin that around. And then we're going to go ahead and get our spin tool. So this is basically our little shot glass or bowl. A couple things I wanted to do to this is I wanted to go ahead and use the shell feature. I want to shell the bottom there so it's a little bit lighter. And then I want to go ahead and give radiuses to the top of the cup. So we'll go ahead and go pull. I'm going to pull that. I think that's 0.5. It's hard to see. Okay. 0.5 radius on top. So this is actually smooth. This could be considered a little sake shot glass for Japanese rice wine. Only other thing I want to do is go ahead and get the pull. I want to put a radius in here. Go ahead and pull. Maybe we'll go to 0.20. Click to select. We'll get our spin to take a look at the bowl or the shot glass, giant shot glass, or whatever you want to call this. That's about all I wanted to do to it. Maybe one last thing is put a little fillet in there so it's not a weak point. Fillets make things a little bit stronger, so rather than having a sharp corner where something could snap off, it gives the object a little bit of flexibility. So we'll go ahead and make that, give that a fillet. Go back to view from top. Okay, there you go. There's your little, we're going to call that a sake wine shot glass. That's going to end the tutorial. And as always, if you found something useful out of this, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.